Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is part 7 of how to build a bedroom, and after all the demolition work I did so far, now the drywall ceiling is coming up. So I put stone wool insulation up, then some drywall. Enjoy the video, stay tuned for more until the bedroom is finally done. Bye bye. So as I said, in this video now I'm putting drywall and insulation up. So I built myself a walking platform with OSB plates and put 3 drywall plates on top. Then I roll out the insulation, measure it and start to cut the first drywall plank and the insulation for it. Yeah, the insulation fits, drywall plank up, hold it up with my head, then screw it up, fit in the insulation and get the next drywall plank. Just the normal procedure. The drywall is pink because it's a special soundproof drywall. It is actually just to reduce the step noise from when I walk on top of that floor. After all, it's going to be a bedroom, so it should be soundproof as much as possible. And in order to get it soundproof, under this ceiling now, I will leave a gap about 1 inch and then put another drywall ceiling in. With sound insulation again, with stone wool insulation, the same like this. Yeah, last plate up, last full plate. Now I asked my brother to help me because on the left side chamber, which is still free, I wanted to put a long one, the complete length. So I asked my brother to help me to hold it up, not that it maybe breaks while I'm doing it. So I'm closing up the small pieces. Cut the drywall planks in and yeah, take the measurement, cut the next insulation and the size of the empty space up. So then my brother helped me to lift it up. I fit the insulation first, even put some screws in that the insulation doesn't fall down, screw the plank up and done. So my brother still stayed a little bit to chat. Next insulation up, next 2 pieces of insulation up, and then close the hole up with drywall planks. I used grey one on this side because I miscalculated and yeah, didn't buy enough of the pink one of the soundproof, but I don't think it makes a big difference. They are the same strength, the same thickness, everything is the same, so I don't know, maybe internally there is a difference, but yeah, I didn't have the time to go and buy another one. So I fit it up, close the last holes, and that was it. That is how it looks, and on the green laser you can already see how I prepare for the next drywall ceiling, and you will see that in the next video. So I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment below and tune in for the next video. Wish you a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.